Included with this OptiMate Solar Car Kit are two ways to connect to the battery: clamps for quick connection to any battery, and a fused protected OBD2 adapter that plugs into the diagnostic socket below or near your vehicle's steering wheel. Both connect to the output cable of the OptiMate Duo Smart Charge controller. Once connected, the controller will indicate the status of your battery. To charge your battery, the opposite end of the charge controller, nearest to the solar LED, connects to the solar panel's output cable. When the controller senses the panel is connected and receiving sun, it changes to charge mode. The solar LED blinks, and one other LED will indicate charge progress. The solar panel delivers 17 to 22 volts into the controller, and it smartly converts that to a lower voltage, safe for charging your battery, and that also makes sure the panel works efficiently. The solar panel has 4 corner mounts that receive the silicone rubber suction mounts if you want to attach the panel to the inside of your vehicle's window. Or you can flip the mounts to use as soft feet if you prefer to place the panel on the dashboard or rear tonneau cover. The OptiMate Solar Car Kit can be permanently left connected to charge and maintain your vehicle's battery. And when you drive your vehicle, you can store the solar kit in the nylon zipper bag.